Hold on. I see him. Thank you. I see him. Let's go get your leash. Thank you. Let's go get your leash. Hold on. Roxy, hold on. Thank you. You ready? Let's go inside. Come on, let's go inside. Crap, there's cats. Hold on, Roxy. You looking for the kitties? This is their hangout spot. Because I was doing chores. Come on, Rox. Let's leave them alone, please. Thank you. Come on. Come on. Roxy. Here comes the truck. Psst. Emotional disconnect for me right now. Thank you, Roxy. I know they're here. This is where they always... It almost got you! You almost died! And I'm just reeling in the leash. And yes, I personally wrap it around my hand because I can feel even the slightest tension in their collar, so I can anticipate not to pull back, but to hold tightly. While I'm also looking around for any cats. And they're probably hiding out in that white thing. Thank you, Roxy. All right, come on. Let's leave. I gotta close the door. Thank you. Let me close the door. Stop. All right, hold on. You wanna go potty? What'd you find? You getting in trouble? Let me see it. Ew, that's gross. All right, come on. Roxy, let's go potty. That's cat poo. I'm not taking it out of your mouth. Come on, Rox. Let's go, please. And she ate some of it. Come on. See. Hold on. Not leave it alone, please. See if I take it, see what happens. I try to go for it. So I'll just hold it tight. Roxy, your truck's coming. Come on. And we'll walk past it. The truck will come up here because the neighbors still have all their garbage cans out. But we're gonna go around. Come on, Rox. There's a couple up there. Thank you. Come on. Let's go over here. Thank you. We're going back over here. Here it comes. Stop. Thank you, Roxy. Good girl. Atta girl. Is he coming? Hold on. Stop. Come on. Roxy. Oops. So I can walk. Come here. Come here. Thank you. Hold on. And yes, the leash is a lot tighter, but it's still loose. Did you see the garbage truck? Your breath smells like cat poo. And there's your brother. Thank you, Ringo. There's the ears. Good girl. You want to go for a walk? Come on. The reason why we didn't go for a walk, hold on, Roxy, while the garbage truck was coming, was because one, she already has the habits of going forward. You already saw that was her motivation. Thank you, Roxy. So when we're able to do some cuddling to where she's not going to go much more further, we know we actually created change. Hold on, Rox. I can't go that way. I don't do poison oak and spiders and things like that. And then getting caught on more tree branches. Yeah, you got us caught. Hold on. You want to go home? Roxy, stop. We're going back. Come on. All right, let me get your leash since you're going around the bush. Are you beating around the bush? Thank you. Here, you want the ball? Roxy. Oh. Catch. Not a girl. Give it to me. Oh, you gave it to me. Whoa. Destress. We make it interactive. You gonna give it back? That garbage truck has to come back by. Thank you, Roxy. Oh, give it to me. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. Okay. Oh, so we make it interactive, not fetch. We could play tug. Oh. Oh, 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 give me the butt. Yeah. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give my toes. Give my toes. Oh, my finger. Ready? No, I'm not worried about drop it. I'm not worried about anything else. We're playing a little game of tug safely. Which means it's about her and I. Oh, you bringing it back? Oh. Oh. Watch the ears. See how they start tilting back? Eyes look back. Oh, what happened? Oh, you got it. See how she gets hyped up more? Whoa. See how I don't have to throw it far? Good job. And we still got the... Oh, you found the cool part, huh? Give it back. Give it back. Oh. I'll keep that one. Where'd the ball go? Did I keep the ball? No, where'd the ball go? Where is it? Where did we... Oh, I found it. That a girl. Garbage truck is by our house now. Hold on. Roxy, stop. Thank you. You still hear the garbage truck? Good job. Good job. Give it to me. I don't have to be all excited because she left... Ow, my finger. Because she left the garbage truck. Oh, I broke it. We can't play with this ball much more. There's not much to it left. Oh. See how I keep it close? And you got the stick too? I'll take the stick. Aha. Aha. Still playing tug with her. Garbage truck is still there. Are you sure? Whoa. The reason why I'm not leaving, because this is the game we started. Thank you. With a distraction and stressor. We are absolutely completely safe. Aha, I got more. I'll just keep putting that in my pocket. And we're not going to leave just because the garbage man leaves. Oh. Well, I missed. Aha. Oh, I still got it. Oh. You want to go get some water soon? Yeah. Yep, that's what I figured. That a girl. Doesn't mean she's done. I mean she's done with the energy. There you go. Because we were just being social in high stress. And that's why I was playing tug. You good? That's why I was playing tug, to keep her social and so she can chew. And because we're doing it together, that a girl. You ready to go inside? Yeah. Your hip okay? And there's her brother. You good? It's not about making her hyper and happy. She's gonna do that. Roxy, you wanna go get some water? Thank you. Come on, go get your stick. Let's go get some water. You can keep it. Come on. Let's go get some water. There you go. Yeah. You want some water? Good girl. And we go back to safety. Come on, you ready? Your brother's gonna be there. There you go. Thank you, Ringo. Roxy, can I see your leash? You want your brother? Hold on. He missed you. Thank you, Ringo. Thank you, Roxy. That a girl. Now we're back at safety. Thank you, Roxy. Hold on, Ringo. Stop. Roxy. I hear it. Hold on, Ringo. Roxy. Escucha over. Come here, Roxy. Roxy, you want to cuddle? Hold on, Ringo. I have to block him so I can cuddle with her. That a girl. See how long this has taken? For 13 minutes so far? Hold on, Ringo. And yes, I will still block him, so that she can accept cuddles. That a girl. Right on my foot. You want to know how this works? And we don't stop until she wants to get up. And then when she does get up, it's usually because she wants to go potty again. Hold on, I got you. Or because he's being annoying. I got you, Roxy. A lot of people would put this dog and put Roxy away because she wants to lay down and be calm. That's not what you do. This one needs emotional vulnerable. This one needs this cuddles. Hold on, Ringo. I'll get you in a minute. Because Ringo needs it too, but I'm on the stupid phone. This is Scott with AffectiveDog.com, your nomadic dog trainer. Thank you, Roxy. I got you. See how these scratches? See how she's listening? They have to make sure they're safe outside their environment, which would be him, so they can feel safe here, so they can soften up. Thank you. So don't stop with doing what you're doing. Hold on, Ringo. Leave her alone, please. That a girl. Hold on. Let her rest. Ringo, out, please. See how I can do all the protecting so she doesn't have to? Ringo, out, please. There you go. This is Scott with AffectiveDog.com on Winnemum Wintu. Pit River and Yana Stolen Land. Thank you.